HTML Hypertext Markup Language. Setup in VS Code explain. Browser open. Search box lo VS Code download. Enter. Enter key press. code.visualstudio.com download. First link, mouse left click. Visual Studio Code redirectory official web page complete display. Download Visual Studio Code free and built on open source. Integrated Git debugging and extension supporting OS Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Present Windows setup. First button Windows. Click. Thanks for downloading VS Code. Download section of VS Code user setup x64 latest version 1.99.2 exe setup file. Downloading process start. File size 1 or 3 MB. Wait and hear. Process completing. Process complete. Next installation setup process. First icon show in folder icon click. Downloads folder lo VS Code setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Download folder minimize. Browser close. Setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code user window lo left side first option I accept the agreement. Left side circular tick mark set. First button next click. Select destination location default location local disk C newly created folder VS Code. Second button next click. Select start menu folder newly created folder name Visual Studio Code display. Second button next click. Select additional tasks additional icons lo first option tick mark set. Authors section lo 2 options tick mark set. Mouse left click and left click. Second button next click. Ready to install. Second button install click. Preparing to install. Please wait while the setup install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Extracting files. Installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Desktop shortcut display. Finish button click. VS Code complete user interface dark mode display. Page close. HTML extensions plugins install. Left side fifth icon extensions click. Search box lo live server enter. First one select install click. Trust publisher and install click. Search box lo mouse left click. Delete key press. Open in browser enter. First one plugin browser related select. Open in browser author tech er blue color button install click. First button trust publisher and install click. Third extension plugin search box lo text remove delete key press. HTML preview enter. Second one extension HTML preview select. Blue color button install click. First button click. Completed plugins in HTML preview page close. Left side first icon explorer select. Explorer window lo open folder blue color button click. Left side desktop select. Second button new folder click. Delete key press. File name HTML files enter key press. First button select folder click. First button yes I trust the authors click. Get started with VS Code page close. Newly created folder explorer window lo display HTML files. Left side first icon new file click. Enter here file name charitech dot extension HTML. Enter key press. Newly created file HTML charitech.html display. HTML script enter. HTML h1 tag output related text charitech info from HTML. Save this file. File menu click. Save option select. Mouse right click. Open in default browser. Option select. Default browser Google Chrome. Select always. Output Chari Tech Info from HTML. Browser page minimize. HTML preview. Keyboard shortcut key Control Shift V key press. Chari Tech Info from Warangal. Output text re-edit Warangal enter. Checking output in page.